This tutorial will show you how to fade out audio in Premiere Pro. First of all, open the project and I'm gonna playing my video here. So add a fade out effect. Click on this icon here. Select Effects. Expand Audio Transition. Expand Crossfade. Drag constant gain into the end of the audio track. If there are two tracks, make sure it doesn't apply in the middle of them. We only want to apply it to the end of the first. Once you added the effect, there you have it. The audio will now fade out. If you want it to be longer, click on the edge of the box and drag it backwards. And here is the final result. That's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Tutorial River. See you in the next video.